Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you been searching for how to use Rufus on a Mac only to discover that Rufus is a Windows only application? The good news is you can still run Rufus on your Mac using crossover without installing Windows or using Boot Camp. In this video, I will show you exactly how to install Rufus on macOS using crossover. First, make sure you have downloaded the crossover on your Mac. If you have not downloaded it, just open the browser and search for crossover for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here the Code Weaver's website, the official website of crossover. Just download the crossover, click on macOS, then click on free trial. Now just here enter your name, mail address, and then click on download trial now, and then download it from here. Once you downloaded the crossover on your Mac, then we will start the installation process of Rufus. Now let's get started. Open the browser and search for Rufus download. Now you can see here the official website of Rufus. Click on it. Now scroll down. Now you can see here other versions GitHub on the bracket. Just click on it. Now here scroll down and look for the version 3.22p.exe, the portable version. You can see here it is written portable version in the bracket, Rufus 3.22p.exe. Just download this file, click on it and click on allow. As you can see, it is successfully downloaded. Now let's install it using the crossover. Now open the crossover. You can see here. Now click on try now. Now click on install. You can see at the bottom, click on it. Now at the top you can see here install an unlisted application. Click on it. Now you need to provide the installer file or disk in order to install the software using crossover. Just simply click on edit. Now from here just select the Rufus exe file which we have already downloaded. Select it and click on choose installer. Now you can see here second detail, you need to select the bottle to install this software into. Just click on edit and now create a new bottle. Just name it Rufus and then click on done, and that's it. Now the last step, just you have to click on install. Click on it. As you can see, the process is started. Now let the installation be done first. Rufus update policy, just simply click on no. As you can see, that's it, the interface of Rufus. From here just insert the USB drive and make it a bootable from here. As you can see here, device, just fill the device detail, boot selection, free DOS, disk or ISO image. Okay, just select it from here, partition scheme, target system and format options. After filling these details, just simply click on ready and then start, and that's it. Your device will become bootable. Let's know, should you use Rufus on Mac? Using Rufus through crossover is a practical option if you especially need the Rufus interface or features. However, because Rufus was not designed for macOS, compatibility can vary depending on your Mac model, macOS versions, crossover versions, and the type of USB device you are using. If you need maximum reliability, creating the bootable USB from a native Windows PC is still the most dependable approach. And that's how you can use Rufus on your Mac with crossover. Even though Rufus does not have a native macOS version, crossover lets many Windows applications run without installing a full copy of Windows, making it a convenient solution for many users. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.